Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the allow sharing option not showing on WhatsApp status. So, firstly, open the Play Store app. Now, at the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for WhatsApp. Now, update it if not, and after this, go back to the home page. Now, open the Settings app, scroll down, and click on the Apps option. Click on WhatsApp. Click on Storage and Cache. Tap on Clear Cache. Now go back to the previous page. Click on Force Stop. Click on OK. Now go back to the home page and open the WhatsApp app. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three dots. Click on Settings option. Click on Privacy option. Click on Status. And here's your allow sharing option. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.